Hello, everyone. So I would like to explain on how to install this Crystal Consult Takeoff template. So this is the zip file. So if you want to install it, you have to extract the files inside this zip file. So I will right click on the zip and click on this extract files. Click OK. So see, I should enter password. So the password to this zip is Jim Taiwo. Password is Jim Taiwo. I will click OK. So it has been extracted. So I will click on this file. So this is the template, QC Quantities Takeoff template. This is the template. So I will copy the template. Copy the template. I'll go to file. Go to look at this C and click on this program files. So I look for Planswift 10. I will click on Planswift 10. Click on data and click on storages. Click on looker. Click on templates. So having clicked on templates, I will right click and paste what I copied. So it has been pasted here. I will close and refresh. So I will now open my Planswift to know whether it has been included under the template. So let me check whether it has been included there. So let me refresh it again to see it has been. So I will click on this template to check. So you can see it has been included. This is the plugin, QC plugin Takeoff template. So this is the template. So it has been included on this Planswift. So that's all. That's the procedure you are going to follow whenever you want to install this plugin to your Planswift. Thank you.